Grooming a shaggy-haired dog can seem like a big task. But with the right technique and tools, you can keep your pup looking neat and feeling comfortable at home. Start by brushing out your dog's coat thoroughly. This removes tangles, mats, and loose hair, making it easier for the clippers to glide smoothly. Different blade lengths leave different hair lengths. For a shaggy coat, a number 4 or number 5 blade usually leaves enough hair for comfort while still giving a tidy look. If you're unsure, start with a longer guard comb. You can always go shorter. Turn on the clippers and let your dog get used to the sound. Then, begin at the neck and move down the body, going with the direction of hair growth. Use slow, smooth strokes, and avoid pushing too hard. Hold the clippers flat against your dog's body and glide them in the direction of the hair growth. Tilting the clipper can create uneven lines or nick the skin. Instead of trying to clip the whole body in one go, divide the grooming into sections. Focus on one area at a time to maintain control and avoid overwhelming your dog. To remove hair from the paws, use the clippers gently, making sure to avoid pressing too hard or clipping too close to the skin. For these areas, it's often safer to use scissors. Use short snips and hold your dog still if they squirm. Comb through the fur while trimming at the same time, carefully cutting away any excess or uneven hair as you go. Take your time and work in small sections to achieve the best results. Clipper blades can get hot with prolonged use. Periodically touch the blade to your wrist to check the temperature. If it feels too warm, switch to a second blade or let it cool down. You can also use blade coolant spray. Andis Cool Care Clipper Spray helps keep your clippers clean, cool, and well lubricated during grooming sessions. It reduces heat buildup and blade dullness, ensuring a smoother, safer trim for your shaggy-haired dog. After you finish clipping, brush your dog again to remove loose hairs. Give them a good treat and lots of praise. Now it's time to bathe your dog to remove any loose hair, dirt, and leftover clippings from grooming. Use a gentle dog shampoo and warm water, making sure to rinse thoroughly. After the bath, wrap your dog in a towel to absorb excess water, then use a blow dryer on a low, cool setting to dry their coat completely and prevent any chills. Make grooming a regular habit, every 4 to 6 weeks, to keep your shaggy dog comfortable and looking great. By following these steps, grooming can become a positive routine that keeps your dog happy, healthy, and looking their best all year round.